So how long has he been a setter manager for? Maybe like 3 weeks?
Full time for a month, maybe 4 or 5 weeks,
Okay.
and before that he did it part time for a couple months.
Okay. You're going to love me for this. Okay. But you need to divide the meeting times and go to his meetings every day for the next 6 months. Okay. Now you can be there for half an hour, doesn't have to be the whole time, but you need to hold his hand because the thing is you're giving him way too much responsibility. Now, look, let me tell you something, okay? Because I was telling you earlier, I did fractional management between 2022 and 2024, very, very successful, pretty much 90% success rate with all my clients. If it wasn't successful, it was their fault. It wasn't my fault. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, shit happens. All right. Now, when I came in, I was obviously the director of the sales team. I was fractionally rebuilding it or whatever. They would just leave me to my vices. And when things would hit the fan, obviously they would turn to me. It was and then I'd have to figure it out and pick up I would come in, they didn't have tracking, they didn't have it. I'd have to rebuild everything. With Cole, it was different. Okay. I had to rebuild the team, but he was there for me to give me a template of the way he does things. And then I went based off his template and innovated on it. Right. Whereas when I was left to my vices, I'd have to be like juggling, spinning plates, and it was stressful, difficult, delayed time, trying to figure shit out, and it was very difficult, and it would lead to delayed results. So what you're going to do to him is you're going to put him in this stressful situation as a leader, and what you need to do is support him and be there for him as someone that has more tenure, okay? So the first thing is be there on all of his meetings for the next 6 months. Sometimes you don't have to go, but like in the beginning at least, support him and show him how to do it. Be there with him, give him direction, lead the meeting some of the times and let him lead the meeting some of the other times so that he builds a standard, right? Because right now, he may have somewhat of a standard, but he may be doing things that you don't know. You don't know, right? That you might not like, and that might hurt the team and you might not know why. And then you're going to go to the recordings and look at what happened instead of being there. So the number one thing is be there for him and give him a template of how to run the whole thing.